Can solve another example with the help of quadratic formula. Okay, so let's recall first what is the quadratic formula. So for the quadratic equation of the form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 with a not equal to 0 and a, b, c being the real numbers, the quadratic formula for finding the roots, or we can call it as zeros, or the solution of this equation is given by minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a, where this b square minus 4ac is called as discriminant. So let us see how we can find the solution for this equation. So the very first step is to compare this equation with the standard quadratic equation. So ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Comparing the coefficients here, what we get the value of a, b and c. You see that a is the coefficient of x power 2. So there is no number with it. With x power 2, it means the coefficient is 1. So the value of a is 1. Now, b is the coefficient of x with the positive sign. So looking at the given equation, the value of b will become 9. Similarly, c is the constant term which is 20 in our equation. So it gives you 20. Now, we know the quadratic formula is given by minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. So what we will do, we will calculate this b square minus 4ac in advance. Okay, so let's calculate it over here. B square minus 4ac. It's not necessary to do it at this step. You can even substitute it directly here. But to avoid the complication of the square root and then the terms here, I'm calculating it in advance. But you can do it at this stage as well. Yeah. So now the value of b is 9. So it is 9 power 2 minus 4 times a is 1 and c is 20. So when you solve it, what you get? 9 power 2 means 9 multiply 9, which is 81. 4 multiply 1 gives you 4 and multiply 20. 4 multiply 20 gives you 80. So this gives you the value of b square minus 4ac as 1. So now finding the value of x, so let's by using the quadratic formula, let's substitute it here. X equal minus b is 9 plus and minus square root of b square minus 4ac. The value is 1 over 2 multiply a. Again a is 1. So when you simplify it, it is minus 9 plus minus square root of 1 gives you 1 over 2. Okay, so as it is a quadratic equation, it's having two values of x. So what are those two values? Minus 9, first time considering only the positive sign. So minus 9 plus 1 over 2. And the second value is minus 9 minus 1 over 2. On simplification, it gives you minus 9 plus 1. So you have 1 plus and 1 minus sign. So you do the minus. So 9 minus 1 is 8. And sign of the bigger number, which is minus over 2. And minus minus, we add. So 9 plus 1 is 10. Again, the sign of the bigger number, which is minus over 2. So these are two values of x. We can further simplify them to x equal minus 8 divided 2 is minus 4. And this is minus 10 over 2 is minus 5. So these are two roots of the quadratic equation. Okay. So you can see that these roots are real numbers and distinct. This happened because the value of b square minus 4ac, which we call as discriminant, is 1, which is greater than 0. So, when the value of discriminant is greater than 0, the roots are always real and distinct. Okay.